Welcome to Thriveline Fitness, where we uncover the truth about your health. Let's dive in. Have you been feeling tired, moody, or just not quite yourself? You might be surprised to learn that a lack of vitamin D could be the culprit, and most people don't even know they're deficient. Vitamin D is essential for our overall health, playing a critical role in many bodily functions. It's not just about strong bones. Vitamin D also supports immune function, regulates mood, and even helps fight off diseases. Yet, despite its importance, millions of people around the world are deficient in this vital nutrient. One of the primary causes of vitamin D deficiency is limited sun exposure. Our bodies produce vitamin D naturally when our skin is exposed to sunlight, but with more people spending time indoors and using sunscreen, we're just not getting as much of it as we used to. Diet also plays a role, as few foods are naturally rich in vitamin D. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are some of the richest sources, but even they don't provide enough to meet our daily needs. Certain health conditions such as Crohn's disease and celiac disease can also impair vitamin D absorption. Additionally, people with darker skin are more likely to be deficient, as the melanin in their skin reduces the amount of vitamin D that can be produced. Obesity is another risk factor, as vitamin D is fat-soluble and can become trapped in body fat. And finally, certain medications such as anticonvulsants and steroids can interfere with vitamin D absorption. So, what happens when we're not getting enough vitamin D? Fatigue is one of the most common symptoms, and it's often accompanied by muscle weakness and bone pain. In severe cases, vitamin D deficiency can lead to conditions like osteoporosis, rickets, and osteomalacia. Our immune system also suffers, making us more susceptible to illnesses like the flu and bronchitis. But that's not all. Vitamin D deficiency has also been linked to depression, anxiety, and seasonal affective disorder. In fact, studies have shown that people with vitamin D deficiency are more likely to experience depression, and that supplementing with vitamin D can help alleviate symptoms. It's a surprising connection, but one that highlights just how important this nutrient is for our overall well-being. Vitamin D deficiency has even been linked to chronic diseases like heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. The evidence is still emerging, but it's clear that getting enough vitamin D is crucial for long-term health. And yet, despite all these risks, vitamin D deficiency remains largely underdiagnosed and undertreated. In summary, vitamin D deficiency is a common problem with far-reaching consequences for our health. From fatigue and bone pain to depression and chronic disease, the risks are very real. It's essential that we prioritize vitamin D, whether through sun exposure, diet, or supplementation. If you've struggled with vitamin D deficiency, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more information on nutrition and health, be sure to check out my other videos on the topic. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.